the Oakhampton one.
That's the one we're going to be going on.
Yeah, but that's just going the other way still.
There it is.
1454 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington has been cancelled.
London Paddington has been cancelled.
Points failure. Passengers for
Point switch gone.
And London Paddington.
We did have storms up country recently.
Direct service is now expected to be the 1514 to London Paddington, departing from platform 5. Passengers for Westbury. Your next
Voyager.
Direct service is now expected to be the 1514 to London Paddington, departing from platform 6.
It's double jointed as well, two ends. If you look at the joins they got on between them. They're actually connected.
Two separate trains basically through together.
Well, they're identical.
Yeah.
They're Voyagers.
God, that's vibrating those.
Yeah, these are they're not hybrid ones like HSTs are. They're probably diesel engine trains. That's what they've converted the engine.
Get it on the other part of the bridge.
No, but you can't go down there.
Exeter Central, Digby and South.
Yeah. Chimney smell. Kind of. I know. Definitely proper diesel generator though. I kind of like. Well, I got on my phone. Photos and videos mostly. Because most of the time I just use videos and then convert them on from photos and videos. Look at the sunshine we've got here. Oh, you would do. Look where we are.
I know. We'll be down there in a little while.
That's the engine. We're right underneath the engine bay. The engine's there. That top half is the engine bay. That's where the chimney comes out and flows
No
on.
wonder it stinks so bad.
That's all the diesel generators. Those pieces on top are actually the diesel generator. It converts into electric to make it move.
I don't get to see that sort of thing very often from up here, do you? Unusual angles.
I did mention it yesterday to people online about coming here.
Doors closing.
The only thing is, standing here, you might get the fifth diesel come flying at you when they move.
I'll just hold my breath.
Hey look, the fan's not spinning though. Yeah, I'm right, my hand right near.
Are you actually filming this?
Yeah. Hey look, that's why. Look through the gap. Don't look right down. So that's where the exhaust is, it's there.
Beautiful.
That's why we can smell. So I'm going to just avoid my
Oh, the train's a white one.
I'll go to this side then. Because you can see it taking off in the back this direction.
Oh, Southern Railway.
Yeah. I'm waiting for
South Western
please
Railway.
go now.
Go.
This one's the car,
going.
cross country's
Oh,
going.
it's stopping right at the end.
The cross country's going. There's a vibration at the engine.
Oh, ooh.
There you go. They're actually tilting trains, the second half of the tilting train.
Not on this track, it won't be.
Yeah, that's the tilting ones pulled out. So but they're not hybrid ones,
So
those ones.
South Western Railway that I've never seen before.
Yeah, usually occasionally they toured them on the east. They can do it on the south coast line as well. They did try those units on the south one at one time.
I've not seen them down in Cornwall.
No, I mean the south railways.
Well, it says South Western Railway, so...
Yeah. And sometimes they do go up to Oakhampton line.
I mean, this is all GWR for the most part.
Well, yeah, and you get the castle sets that will come in. No, I've seen the first class 43's pull in yet.
You're crooked, my dear, you're crooked.
No, it's because my hand's gone cramped.
Because of the cold.
Well, partially that.
I think it's going to move.
Yeah.
Who's it now? What's that? Oh no, it's the lift.
Yeah.
Nothing to do with us.
But shame you can't go right through because the other side of that building is all where the depot stuff is and you see all the trains being cleaned.
Doors opening.
Platform 1 from the 1442 Great Western Railway service to Exeter Central.
Did you say
Exeter
43?
Central only. This train has 3 coaches.
Oh, here it comes.
From the
Hammer.
1442
The walk's
Great
coming
Western
towards us.
Railway service
You mean the
to
platform we went
Exeter
past
Central.
before we came here?
Yeah.
Look at the train.
Oh, it's the junction.
Yeah, that's the junction we came out of.
May I have your attention, please? We are sorry to announce
Should we get down there
that the
shortly?
1454 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington has been cancelled.
They keep mentioning it. I don't know why they keep mentioning it.
Because people will be coming in.
Passengers for Taunton,
Why has someone stopped
and
out there?
London
Because that's the platform. There's another platform just there, and there is a junction between them. Because that's the road there.
No, there's no junction up there.
Yeah, that's the siding.
There's no platform up there. Oh, he's in a siding.
Yeah, it's in a siding, probably for the service.
Your next fastest direct service is now
Another train coming in. You can hear the clickety clack of the track.
1540 to London Paddington.
No, because it's coming from that way and this is coming this way.
It's
going
possibly,
to Exeter
it's
Central
possibly
and coming
that,
through
that
here.
train over there. It's possibly the one we'll be going back on.
You might be waiting for that one to move, maybe? I don't know.
Well, they have to. The sidings are quite big and they have
Depends on
spread
which
out.
one it's coming through. If it's coming through on that line, then they have to wait
Are we
for it
on
to
this?
move.
Are we supposed to be on this side for the platform going that way?
We want to be in the middle platform.
That
down,
one.
Down that way. Which we'll do in a bit. I thought you might want to get some stuff from up here first.
Well, it's only going to work if most of them come in at the right time.
They're now filming the bridge.
I can hear another engine, you see. I can hear the vibrations of my feet. Another train coming in. It's on platform 2. Over this side. It's one there.
Platform 1 is coming in.
No, platform's on the far side.
Yeah.
It's underneath us. There it is. They're going to join up, look.
Oh, are they?
Yeah, they're going to couple.
I didn't know this.
They're literally going to couple. Yeah, look, they're going to connect.
Oh, there you go. You can get that then. There you go, folks.
They're literally going to have, because the couple is down there and they're down to the red lights.
Getting it?
Yeah. Clunk. Not quite. I think
Get there. Give them time.
they usually just go straight
Really
in.
slowly or you'll smash them.
In the US, they'll actually go for like half speed and they just clunk into each other.
You're cameras level.
I have got really cold hands.
Great Western Railway.
But look at this one. It's completely white and blue over this one.
I know, it's unusual to see them here.
But it would be, it's main line.
Can you not zoom in a bit?
Yeah, 16 is the length of the zoom on this camcorder.
Get over forward?
But I can zoom in on it when I'm got my video edited later. But this will be probably get a lot of views for this.
Talking to each other out the window, look.
Yeah.
A whole bunch of them.
But they probably has to have people near the couple and watching them so they're not overlapping each other.
The amount of people when you film is completely quietly, then you just can't keep your camera still. You could just put the camera down, it might stay still that way.
I just don't want to be
It's a
knocked
long
off if the
thing.
train doesn't come along and then just vibrate off the bridge.
So you're not going to let it do that. Is it going to catch the cat on the train though?
Yeah.
Not exactly.
Not zoomed in maybe.
Well, maybe not zoomed out that much. You can't see anything.
Yeah, but trouble is zoom in too much. You look overlooking the valley over that way. So
Can't get in a bit closer. Then.
not out, come an arm further out.
No, it's a shame.
So it's
Is it going to
maybe
connect or not?
maybe like that.
Yeah, maybe. Just obviously make sure you're looking around.
Yeah.
See you're wobbling.
I'm a little bit worried, but I'm cold.
We are sorry to announce that
we go
the
again.
1442 Great Western Railway service to Exeter Central is delayed by approximately 13 minutes.
13. That's not actually
Could
that
be the
bad.
train's waiting to come in.
That could be our train, potentially.
No, it's not ours.
Platform 1 of the 1442 Great Western Railway service to Exeter Central. Exeter Central only. This train has 3 coaches.
It's over there.
Yeah, that's the far side.
The other one is getting the cat.
42 Great Western
Keeps swapping
Railway
them.
service
Obviously,
to
that's where the
Exeter
next train's
Central.
No.
To you.
Depends on what time the train we go back on.
Can you go to the other bit of the bridge?
Yeah,
All
probably.
the other trains coming in?
I'm going to wait until this one takes off because I think it's going to take off momentarily.
I don't know that he is because it's still not connected, so. Not that you're going to catch it at that
Possibly you
angle,
could
right? They're
do-
doing 70s angles now.
70s angle.
Yes.
From the 1500 Great Western Railway
1500.
service to Paynton.
It's got to be a javelin, hasn't it?
Teignmouth, Newton Abbot, Torquay,
If I'm having a
and
explore.
Paynton. This train
What do you think is the next best place to go to?
This bit up here.
The platform 2 is one we need.
They're coming in to
Paynton.
The button's here.
That's if you want to go down. Do you actually want to go down or do you want to stay on the bridge?
This is the customer announcement takes platform on platform number 3, 1500, breakfast railway service to Paynton.
Do we need to go down there on this line, platform anyway, to
We
get
will
down?
do, yeah.
So I think you
So
get
the one
better.
that was going to be coming in at platform 3 is now coming in at platform 1. On this view there's a problem. Doesn't seem to be moving, does it?
No, I thought it was to head down, you see. That's the car from 660 new. Just divided the thing.
Oh, vibration.
Older engine.
Another diesel. See the exhaust on that one, apparently.
Yeah, you can see on this one, look. It's in
Yeah.
between the carriage,
Oh yeah.
sticking out. Those vents at the top are the ventilation for air current for the cool of the engine.
That one does look quite plasticky on the top, doesn't it? Great Western. It does look
But the
like-
older one,
Yeah.
no, I think it's probably some sort of cheap metal probably to hold the frame in place.
Okay. Changing the time of it. And then like 13 minutes, no, by 6 minutes, no, by 8 minutes.
I thought you know over half an hour each.
We just turn up when it turns up.
Yeah.
No, I think they're off. They're not hanging around.
I think this one's going to.
They're gonna go.
I mean, they're going to have to wait for the vote. The things have gone down before they can take off because obviously. But they obviously have, or they
They
wouldn't.
haven't yet.
That would be going to this card, wouldn't it? This one,
No.
to the platform.
This one's going further up country.
Yeah, it was down that way. This card and
Oh, I see what you mean.
St. and all that.
Yeah. True, very true.
So they'll go by Truro.
Yeah. Maybe. I don't know. I thought it was going to the junction up there.
That
There's a junction up there that
that way.
probably means to
That
go
goes
that
up
way.
to London and Sentinel.
There's also a junction up there.
Yeah, but that's a depot area for these sort of
there was
wagons.
a junction area as well. Which means there could be an area where they go off. Is he going to join now? He's going for it, I think.
So he has waited to that
You
person.
can see anything from here. but
I can see the booth. So you can always go down to see closer. You can always get down and see it closer so they get more
If
closer.
you want to go down, you can go down. It's fine. You're going down on the lift.
I know. Pretty good time because there's no people around.
Yep. Oh, fine.
Blinding. A whole bunch of people
You end up
now.
with a lot of people otherwise.
I will stop it.
But you're not filming anything at the moment.
I am.
You're moving your camera.
It is put.
You're not filming.
No, it's loud.
I know, but you weren't filming the train at the
But you've got benches up here so you can sit
They're
down.
having problems and that's why I think we're getting delayed.
Yeah, these were coming up
There's
there.
an issue, isn't there?
Look at the vibration on that thing.
This one has an issue, or
It's
I know
the one
there's
in
an
front.
issue further up the line, isn't there? That's in the other direction. So they've got points issues. Is that what
You can feel the vibration of the train to the platform.
I know.
But it doesn't say that one. The shakes for it a
It's
lot.
squeaking.
That's the exhaust system.
Rumbling away, isn't it?
But yeah, they've got quite a lot
It
of
must
power
be
in them.
quite a lot of fuel.
But yeah, 2 years work.
You're looking at the platform. So that's what your camera's doing. Let's see this gap still.
Tells me a sign I need my drink probably. So just avoid the benches by the way if you want to sit down.
What are you doing? Yeah, they're connected.
No, they're right there, they each to each other. I know. Yeah, he might be coupling up. It's like that.
That is the one.
Yeah.
One stop.
Yeah. They could be swapping drivers at both trains.
I don't know.
But they do convert after
Because the
an hour
GW1's
between
on the
them.
other side. These guys are coming together.
Which side did we play on? The other one over there?
No, we're further down that way. We want to go down there, and the train, last one, came through on this line, going in that direction.
Yeah, it went
So
probably being real filled up.
may not. It may end up being on platform 1, it could end up being on platform 4.
It would be.
Know yet. It's too early to know.
It would be amazing if they do join up and I get it on camera.
It would be, yeah.
But there's no point
Plenty of
in
people on it.
you're going to move the drivers
I
to just
know,
hop back in.
to come back, but
It may be having
you
permission
should
to
have asked
wait.
them if he's joining.
Yeah, they have to switch all the components off of one train before they connect.
Well, I heard him doing it. So it's possible he's already done that. Oh, here we go. I'm filming.
Yeah.
Here we go. Got it? Nice. Keep going. A little bit more. Little bit more. Yeah, go on. Oh,
Give it a punch.
oh, there we go. Nicely
I
done.
got it all on film.
Yeah. Very well done.
So they're going to move the whole
Here we
train
go.
out.
Now he's getting some power going.
Yeah, they have to charge the other batteries up because that's
Maybe he terminated here and he's going to go that way. This is first class though.
Yeah, look,
Just-
where he
just
flashes
joining.
up the white lights, they were having trouble with the engines at one of them.
Just joining themselves as one
They
train.
connect all the wires up to make it all connect well.
Well, that's what the noise is. That's what they do.
Well, that's still the air brakes inside the
Now it's
traction
all
of wheels.
connected to each other. So, but you can see the join is absolute, isn't it? There's no potential wobbling, no gaps, nothing.
No,
It is.
the first Hilton train always had a problem with that because of the design of the floor of it.
It completely forms a seal, which is really interesting to watch.
But yeah, that's the rubberized hill. It doesn't get rain or mould coming through.
Yeah, it's definitely there.
I don't think he's moving or he's taking off.
It's definitely.
Yeah. He couldn't wait for the train coming out.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
They separate off. I've got my microphone on as well because you hear the sound of the engine.
The next train to arrive at platform 4 will be
Hey, look.
the 15.
The one that joins up is actually behind us, so the direction lights on.
Plymouth. This is the service from London
They've got
Paddington.
white lights.
Yeah, they're front with the lights.
They probably is going to go out this way.
I bet you wish you bought your jacket now.
Oh, now I'm cold. I was fine in the town. I was
Yeah, but that's middle of the day daylight.
I know, it's because we haven't got sun, so I'm going to try and
Is
get
that,
some
is that turbo style? Yeah, do not pass, network rail. Obviously, this is on.
Mist from the hills.
I'm assuming that I was assuming that at one time
Caution.
you used to can go right down to the platform at one
Cross
time. and
only
see it.
when light shows.
But that's for workers.
Obviously, I wouldn't cross it myself.
I assume the platform used to
You
be
don't do it in an
stretched down here at
emergency.
one time.
No, they would
Being
only
at
do
height
that if
design.
necessary.
Yeah, but it's the the
It's
line's
an
right down there.
unauthorised.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's just what they do. It mustn't.
I'm trying to. I think that is a HST. You know.
Is he going to come in?
I think that is a castle set.
I can't tell. He's too far away. He has to wait till points get changed and stuff, doesn't he? He's coming in on that line.
Well, it depends on what line it's coming into, because there's a train in the way, that's probably why it's been delayed. Hey look,
It's a bummer if you're sitting on the train and you think, well, my stop's just up there.
We are sorry to announce that the 15
Actually,
Great Western Railway service to
It's moving.
Barnstable
is it? Yeah, I
He's
saw
moving.
some. I saw a black
He's moving.
bit of a chimney coming out.
He's coming. Must have the points changed. Which way is he going to? Which line is he going to look
He's
at?
coming down on this one, I think.
Don't know. He can
Platform
change.
4. We're on platform 2 and 3.
I guess we'll find out. No, it's not. Look, it's changed.
Oh, he's coming down on the line that was on that one.
Exactly. That's why you had to wait.
That's confusing.
I know. There's so many points here. Oh look,
But
the
look,
lights went off.
That yellow light came off.
Yeah, because you're not allowed to cross because there's a train coming. But
I
you're
know.
not filming the train. You're filming the floor
Well, I
again.
can't really see from the corner. I don't think most people have problems when you're filming on the main line most of the time. As long as you're keeping your distance away from the platform.
It's wet there for ages. So he was waiting for platform 1.
Yeah. I haven't been on one of those ones. Imagine that one's the one going to Oakhampton, the one we're going on.
Unlikely.
Imagine though, it was one of those special ones.
Possible.
I did wonder what train it was from a distance. Glad I'd have my microphone on though. I'm gonna have, it's the vibration of the diesel engine.
How many on that one? That joint there.
Yeah, that's the line. That's,
No, it's that joint there that makes the clunk.
yeah, it's the clickety clack of the platform.
Yeah, clunk, 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 clunk.
Yeah, they do that purposely.
Oh, there he goes. He's going round.
Yeah, we went up on that line on the way in. Yeah, we went up on that line on the way in because we went to the next station up.
Yeah, that goes through Exeter Central.
Yeah, it was the one we went to this morning.
Yeah, and you can go on through there too. You can go to London that way as well, but
I would assume, I always think London's going to go that way and
you
up.
can go that way. You can go
Probably that one.
that way and up. There are different lines, you see.
I'm reading that wrong. They wouldn't have a light at the top like that.
HST?
No. That's 800 class Javelin.
Oh,
That's the new one. It came out this year.
that one's going to London.
They've got a long way to go around. I thought it going this direction would be makes more sense to London. Especially London Paddington.
No, they go under the junction, don't they? I told you.
Yeah, that's the Javelin.
It
wouldn't
goes
have-
round at the junction. Coming
HST
from
doesn't
Plymouth.
have the
What a noise.
thin, yeah, it's just the clunking of the wheels against the rails.
Yeah, he's a very good guy. He's going to London.
set by apologies 1519 service to Barnstable is cancelled. This current time we revised that the next available service is 1618. For the group of quick failure, we are able to move any services out towards the east end of the station. Once again, the 1519 service to Barnstable has been cancelled. The price at this current time is towards the 1618 service to Barnstable, currently scheduled to depart platform 3.
That's the air braking you can hear on the wheels.
What's that weird thing sticking out of the bottom?
Oh, the thing underneath the nose?
Yeah.
That's the buffer beam underneath. That holds the thing in.
This thing?
I'm going to go for this one and see what he's got quicker.
I think
That's a Voyager.
That's a Voyager.
Yeah, that's the tilting train. But this is 158, too fast set.
I know that, but he's coming in and you haven't got him on camera.
Yeah, I can see him,
He's
but
going to turn, he's going to curve, to go around the corner. So follow him round so you get this train coming in as well. How close they are.
yeah, they use a system called the spec points.
He's going to Edinburgh.
Yeah, don't do flat the car here. Yeah, Voyagers. I think those jobs are here too.
I see what you mean, I can see it.
Definitely not our train then.
It's going all the way to Edinburgh. I don't plan to go to Scotland today. But at least you know you can go to Scotland.
Yep. But apparently last week,
Edinburgh's going to... doesn't change the points of the white lights.
No, that means that they're about to change. That's the signal tower over
No,
there.
it's not. That means you're allowed to cross the line.
No, it doesn't generally.
Yes, it does. The lights mean that you can cross the line. You only cross the line when the lights are on. That's what it says.
It doesn't mean it's always recorded to that most of the time.
Well, it wouldn't make any difference to the person crossing if the lines were
Well,
changed.
is there workers anyway? They usually have permission by the staff anyway.
I mean, there's no trains coming into these platforms at the moment anyway, so...
No, the barriers are open.
Typical that we missed it, but never mind.
I've got
They probably
those
have to
two.
change the lines all the
I've got
time. This is the platform 1 one. It's going to be painting one going to platform 1.
I would love it if it was our train.
No, it's not. It's on the wrong track.
And look, it's in First Great Western.
It is. Well, at least you're going to get it on film eventually.
You don't see First Great Western down there, Exeter St David's.
Western.
An old
Busy.
livery.
Oh my god, it's standing around it. Oh, packed.
Super packed.
There's kids in it and everything.
Teenagers
Oh my
coming home from school.
God, it's packed full.
They must have come out of Exeter St Central. We
And they've
came
got a
out.
load of people coming on.
They're going right
There's
down.
nothing in there.
They're literally going right down the end of the platform.
Holy moly.
There's only two cars.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't want to get on that.
No, I wouldn't.
That's insane.
Imagine what-
packed with people. Look at the amount of people that got to get on. There's no room.
No, there's no room for... It's not ours, is it? Because that's GWR.
No.
The castle's
It's
there.
going to Exeter Central, dear.
I'm taking advantage of the
Could have
daylight
come from
cinema.
Oakhampton, but he's not ours.
We came back on one of it. We went on one of these on the way in.
Otherwise you get on the phone.
That's the one they double jointed earlier.
Yeah.
Oh, stopping, that's why. Typical timing, that is.
We are sorry to announce that the 1558 Great Western Railway service to Paddington is delayed. Since Austell, Truro, Redroof,
Which is it coming on this one?
Hale, St Earth and Penzance. This train
No, I'm not going
has
to.
4 coaches.
Yeah, it's got a castle set.
4B for the 1525 Great Western Railway
Well,
service
it's
to
fine, I tried it all out all
Penzance.
morning.
You're not filming, dear.
Yeah, I'm filming.
We
I'm
are
just
sorry
checking
to
what you're
announce
doing.
that the
That's the
1558
HS2.
Great Western Railway service to Paddington is delayed by approximately 6 minutes.
My favourite train is one. You're going to go my past that if you just...
There's a castle one.
Yeah, I got one. Out in the highway.
Yeah, the castle, you're not going to get the badges.
Yeah. spot.
Earth and Penzance.
Yeah, I don't want to go
This train
travelling on
has
the camera.
4 coaches. Platform 4B for the
Yeah, the car wash, they do have a train wash over there.
15:25 Great Western Railway service to
Oh, is that this one? This one's
Penzance.
taking off now. That's not kind of petri like.
The next train to arrive at platform 4B
Not be warm.
will be the 15:25. This is the service from Cardiff Central. We are sorry to announce that the 15:25 Great Western Railway service to Penzance is delayed by approximately 29 minutes.
Can't keep up with which one to go.
There's a gentleman, no, it's on the far side of the platform.
Oh,
We are sorry to
And
announce
look,
that
we've got no one coming in.
15:25
Platform
Great
3.
Western Railway service to Penzance is delayed by approximately 27 minutes.
Hey look, it's got, hey look, 7 BBC thing on the front.
Mendoza.
They've got BBC on it.
They could be called BBC Radio Day.
Supermare, Western Milton, Whirl, Yatton, Nailsea and Fatwell, Parsons Street, Bedminster, Bristol Chapel Road, Filton Abbey Wood, Patch Road, Seven Tunnel Junction, Newport, and Cardiff.
Platform 4 for the 15:48 cross-country service to Plymouth.
And it's getting cold as well.
Don't you let yourself get cold either.
I know, only let you use it so you can warm yourself up in.
Eating one top.
I can't eat this time of day not when I have dinner. I don't think I'm drink plenty to keep myself
It's too
too
cold. Tell me, I'll give it back.
I only need time to warm myself up for a bit of time. I've got a special one at home. I've got this particular model at home.
Hey, hey, purple.
Yeah, I got that one. This year limited edition one. I paid £2.89 for that one. But it's also got a badge on my train. It says management. You know the thing I had for September? There's a charger thing that's going on the train for that. At the moment, it's only just That's something in this one, I think. That's coming in. Going down to this side, I think, that one. The one that's just taken off.
For Key and Paynton, this train has 4 coaches.
Oh yeah, well,
I would have made a picture of it in my hand.
you should have brought your jacket with you, you know.
No,
Well, you should have done. It's cold up here.
it's cold up there.
I'm starting to feel it really quite badly right now.
Disrupted at Exeter St David's.
I wish I got my motorcycle gloves.
A point state in the Exeter St David's area.
No, he's running late, isn't he?
Yeah, it's not hanging around at all.
They wouldn't do. They're probably running late. They would need to change their points on the ASP
Yeah,
then.
they can't. Points failure.
They need to change them
We'll get the
though.
engineers in now.
This is a customer house for passengers requiring a service to Oakhampton. That's passenger requiring a service to Oakhampton. Please be advised that this service will now arrive and depart from platform number 4. That's anybody at Exeter David's requiring Crediton and Oakhampton. Please be advised that this service will now depart from
Oakhampton,
platform
that's fine,
number 4.
That's
Thank you.
outside. They haven't pulled in. What you could do going home?
Yeah, me too.
I think in shopping might be worth doing tonight. But what we could do tomorrow, we could also...
is delayed by approximately
I don't know.
6 minutes.
We could do that shopping tomorrow after my eye appointment, and then we'll just go to Tesco after that. That way we don't have to worry about it tonight. We've got enough bread for tonight anyway, because I've got the rolls in the cupboard still.
I'm not going to get that this evening anyway.
I just need to get my energy drink tomorrow, desperately. I only got
I'm
2
getting
left.
for the cats tonight, right there. Let's give them some
And here you
food.
go.
Here we
There's
go.
another First Great Western one.
It is. Might end up going on to First Great Western. Oh, they're not called First Great Western now, they're just Great Western.
Yeah, but then it's still on the nameplates inside the train source.
No, it's not.
Yeah,
It
it
just
is.
says Great Western. They've
Yeah, but
got rid of the first.
the one came on the other line a little while ago.
It just
had
said
first,
Great Western. They've taken it off, see?
yeah, but it's still the colours to be First Great Western.
So they're bumping them.
Fine,
This is going to be bumped constable one.
We are sorry to announce that the 1628 Great Western Railway service to Penzance is delayed by approximately 6 minutes.
This is a customer for passengers awaiting a service to Barnstable. Please be advised that the Barnstable service will now depart from platform number 6.
Yeah, but Oakhampton's part of
Anybody
this one.
at Exeter David's requiring services to Crediton and stations to Barnstable, please be advised that the service will now depart from platform number 6.
Yeah, but look how big it is.
For the Barnstable service. Thank you.
Yeah, another class 150. Now he's slowly coming over actually, he's just waiting for the signals to change. I don't know how to put this in night vision soon, until they leave it too long. I have the capability of putting in night vision, it would have picked up quite well. That could be our track.
You need to board the 1615 service to Exmouth and change at Exeter Central for your connection for the Waterloo service.
I don't think I'm going to get much clear shots of the outside of it.
Yes, at least. You were hoping to.
Is he going to put the power car into the front of the window? No. We short off from the window, from the unit. It doesn't need you much gap, does it? Look at the gap between them.
No. They utilise as much space as they possibly can.
But yeah, in America they have to take 2 parts of the football field size up so they could put 2 of them in.
It's good if it's not Saturday tomorrow.
Yeah, it's Friday.
That's bad enough.